Do you hear that noise? Listen. What is it?
I don't know. What is that noise?
It's Evan.
He's sucking on the side of his chair.
Sucking on the side of his chair. Hi. Hi. Busted. What's up, dude? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's found his toes. He's trying to get his toes in his mouth the last 2 days.
So he sucks on the side of his chair.
On his way down. The drool, as you can see, Evan, drips off his chin. Ends up on the side of the chair. And let no drool go to waste. He sucks it all back up through the edge of his chair. You're something else. Later.